Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel artabhijit. Today I am going to show you how to make a homemade graphite powder with the using of this cheapest pencil, which is cost only around 10 rupees. So don't skip the video, and I think it will be help you to make some beautiful background and beautiful drawing and beautiful portrait and beautiful scenery also. So that's why I requesting you to don't skip the video, watch till the end. Let's jump to the topic.
Friends, I using apsara 10B graphite pencil. First of all, I removed the wooden part using paper cutter. I use apsara 10B pencil because it's only 10 rupees and it's blended smoothly. You can use any pencil to make graphite powder. I using small piece of lead. And I using paper knife. You just have to place the sharp on the lead and start rubbing and scratching gently. You will get the fine quality of graphite powder. You need a sandpaper. I using 150 grade sandpaper to get a fine quality graphite powder. I cut the small piece of sandpaper. Now place your lid on the sandpaper and rub graphite gently. Carefully rub the lid on the sandpaper. In this technique, you will get the fine quality of graphite powder. You clearly see now our homemade graphite powder was ready for shading. Now I'm going to show you the using of graphite powder. Using this graphite powder, you will make beautiful background. Friends, I will show you some reference work to visually understand the using of graphite powder. You clearly see the background which I made using the graphite powder. Friends, if you follow the steps, then you can easily make your graphite powder at your home. And I hope the using of graphite powder technique will be help you to improve your artwork. Friends, I hope you like my drawing. If you like my drawing, then hit the like button and share with your friends. And those who are new, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get my latest update.